was gonna bless me. Guess there was a little bit of water built up in there. Let's grab a rag. Was not expecting that. Okay, so there's a little notch. Look out. A lot easier than what I thought it was gonna be. Looking at that thing, that one there that had no O-ring on it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I don't know why that one was leaking. Go ahead and get that new one on there and call it good. Sounds like the new one's on.